Hey guys, welcome to In a Week in My Life.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then don't forget to subscribe. So today is Monday and my daily chores are completed, and now I'm gonna go to market because market my brother is getting vaccinated as our dog bite him, so he's getting vaccinated and today is the date, so I'm gonna take him to the hospital. And also wedding seasons are going on, so I have to give in my sari and my mom's sari to the tailor shop, which I have to take today. So yeah, let's get ready. So guys, I'm all ready to go, and now it's time for my brother to get ready. So he is getting ready, and then we will just leave for the hospital and then to the tailor shop. आई एम होम राइट नाउ. जो हुआ मतलब भाई का वैक्सीनेशन डन हो गया, बट सारी जो लेना था हमें वो नहीं हो पाया बिकॉज जो आंटी मतलब जिन्हें दिया गया था, शी सेड दैट हर वर्क इज इनकम्प्लीट एंड शी वुड बी गिव अस आवर साड़ी इन द इवनिंग. तो मुझे शाम को जाना पड़ेगा फिर से, बट हमें शाम को आने के लिए, पर पता नहीं मैं शाम को जा पाऊँगी कि नहीं जा पाऊँगी, क्योंकि शाम को हमारी ऑनलाइन मीटिंग है सोसाइटी की, जो कि कंपलसरी है टू अटेंड. सो गाइस, अभी 4 बज रहे हैं एंड मैं रेडी हो चुकी हूँ. अब मेरा भाई को मैं ट्यूशन छोड़ के उसके बाद मैं जाऊंगी साड़ी लेने के लिए ऑन द वे. तो चलते हैं. So guys, I am home and this is the sari. Wait. What? This is the blouse piece, which looks amazing, and then this is the sari. And here is my mom's sari. This is my mom's blouse and sari.
146 minutes later.
I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me feeling so amazing. Struggling, stretch, brush my hair, always looking like a mess. Oh, and maybe I could go and do the rest. Give it a little more faith, I'll be set. And I hope that you'll miss it as I stay like now when I'm stuck in my bed. Day and night, never feeling my best. I know, oh well, but this time will not be the same again. It's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been just a night all around.
another yet boring day in my life. So today is Tuesday and nothing is planned about the day. The thing I only know now is that I've been assigned a task by my mom to groom the hair of dog. So I'm just going to do that. So guys, now I'm going to market and also from there I'm gonna go and pick my mom. So yeah, let's go. So guys, today is Wednesday and I am like ready to go for marriage. So it's I'm gonna show you my OOTD. I am wearing sari.